If you're trying to set the vivid filter on the photos of your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max, but if it is not working or if you cannot find the vivid filter on your iPhone, so here's how you can fix the issue. First of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Camera, then go to Formats. Now under the Camera Capture section, instead of High Efficiency, just select Most Compatible. After you select Most Compatible, then go to your home screen and capture any photo with the camera app of your iPhone. For example, I will capture this photo. Now to set the vivid filter, simply go to Edit. Now as you can see, this is the filter section. Now just tap on Filter, and from here you will be able to set the vivid filter, just like that. And this is how you can set vivid filter on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.